Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by eliminating simple causes. First, force close the camera app and reopen it so software resets. Once done, inspect the lens closely and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Dirt or fingerprints often confuse focus. Next, remove any case or magnetic mount that sits near the lens. Make sure your iPhone is updated. Outdated firmware can affect camera drivers. If you haven't restarted today, reboot now to clear background tasks that might lock the camera sensor. You'll now exercise manual focus controls to diagnose behavior. Tap the screen where you want focus, then press and hold to lock AE/AF. This forces the lens to stop hunting. While locked, slide your finger up or down to change exposure and see how autofocus responds. Switch camera modes, portrait versus photo versus video, because some modes use depth or stabilizers that change focusing. Also test the front camera and a third-party app to determine if the problem is app-specific or hardware-related. To complete the fix, reset camera-related settings without erasing data by choosing Reset All Settings. This can clear bad configuration that affects focus. If that fails, look for physical issues, camera lens chips, alignment gaps, or debris inside the module. At that point, back up and consider a DFU restore or Apple Diagnostics to confirm hardware faults. If you must seek repair, book an authorized service. Troubleshooting tip: if focus fluctuates only in certain lighting,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.